we go. This is the Pine and Golden Inns PLLC. Free consultation 713 609 1930. The truck accident lawyer are here. Here is the menu. And after that, the Houston truck and accident lawyers are available here for you. The semi truck, big rig, and other large commercial vehicles accidents. Okay, after all the circumstances, the truck accident can leave you with life altering injuries, overwhelming and medical expenses, and a mountain of other bills that you can't afford to pay. After that, if you have been injured in a truck accident that was not your fault, you deserve the financial compensation for your injury and losses. Let the Houston Truck Accident Lawyer of the Pine and Golden Weeks PLLC help you. The demand justice. After that, our Houston attorney have a decade of the combined experience helping injured accident victims obtain the financial compensation from the deep-pocketed trucking companies in insurers. After that, when you choose our legal team to help you after a truck accident, you can expect a full service approach. We do not just help you to pursue the settlement or verdict or trial. We are committed to helping to you complete recovery of the accident. After that, this includes ensuring you have access to the medical treatment for your injuries and working mitigates the impact of the accident on your life. We are here to guide you and answer the questions throughout your whole journey. So contact on this number and for a free evaluation discuss. So this is the whole and thank you.